How to make a video of text mask transition. First, open Filmora, find the media you like in the stock media library, download it, and drag it into the video editing track. Then create a text element. Change its style and size. Set a transform keyframe at the beginning of the video and move the text to the right out of the frame. Then, at the end of the video, move the text to the left out of the frame. Next, change the text color. You can choose the green built into the system, which is convenient for subsequent chroma keying. At the same time, you can add a shadow to the text to make it more three-dimensional. Then, search for green screen in stock media, download the material, and drag it into the track. Here, you need to pay attention to adjusting the layer hierarchy of the material. Then, move the timeline to the middle, find linear in the mask, change the rotation angle of the mask, move it to the right outside the frame, and set a transform keyframe. Then, move the timeline slightly to the right, move the mask from outside the frame to the left into the frame, keeping a fixed distance from the text footage. Then repeat this operation, setting multiple keyframes to make the transition smoother. Next, select all your clips, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Then, pick another clip you like from the stock media and drag it onto the timeline, placing it beneath the compound clip. After that, select the compound clip and enable the chroma key to remove the background. Now the main part of the video is ready. You can head to Filters to add your favorite filter for some atmosphere, or throw in some cinematic text and stickers to spice up the footage. Add some music, and let's check out the final result.